In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Whimsical. Mind mapping is a fantastic way to visualize thoughts, ideas, and concepts, and Whimsical makes it incredibly easy and intuitive. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started on your own mind map. Begin by navigating your way to the Whimsical dashboard. Whether you're starting a brand new mind map or adding one to an existing project, there are just a few clicks involved. On the main dashboard, you'll notice various document types you can create. What you're looking for is the Mind Map option, which you should select as the type of file to create. This sets the workspace for your mind map creation. If you're within an existing board or folder, you can simply click the plus sign, which denotes adding a new file. From there, select Mind Map, and you're ready to start mapping out your ideas. Now comes the fun part, adding your central node, which represents the main idea or concept you'll be building around. Click on the canvas where you envision this main concept being positioned. Whimsical's interface is user-friendly, so you've got the option to use the toolbar for this task. Or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press the letter M to execute this operation. Once you've got your central node mapped out, enter a title or key idea that articulates the central topic you'll be exploring. With your primary idea in place, it's time to expand by adding branches, which are essentially child or sibling nodes. To do this, either select or click on your central node, and you'll notice quick add buttons at your disposal, often appearing as you hover over or select the node. This is where you can add specifics under your main idea as child nodes, or even create sibling nodes that coexist with your primary concept. Type in the text for each of these nodes, musing over how each branch ties into your central theme. One of the beauties of Whimsical is its drag and drop functionality, allowing you to reposition nodes to your heart's content, although it does automatically maintain a neat and orderly layout for your branches. When it comes to customization, Whimsical offers even more flexibility. Simply select a node, and a contextual toolbar will reveal an array of options. You can tweak node colors, change branch colors, and even add icons or images for a more visually engaging mind map. If your map includes numerous branches and starts feeling cluttered, you have the option to collapse or expand them, keeping your work accessible and organized. Experimenting with different layouts and branch directions can make a significant difference, ensuring your mind map remains clear and effective. And that covers all the essential steps to create a mind map using Whimsical. With these tools at your disposal, you can craft vivid and detailed maps for whatever project or idea you're exploring. Happy mind mapping!